Alright, good evening everybody. Puppy dogs, which you can only see Copper over there. Yeah, and Copper. Alright, anyway. We found some of these really yummy Italian loaves that you bake. I don't know if they get any bigger, but they taste better when you bake them. Marked down to 35 cents. So dogs are going to get themselves each a quarter of a Italian loaf with baked chicken breast on it, and probably some tomatoes and lettuce and something else I'm not quite sure yet. Anyway, let's get to it. Alright, we're back over here. Bread is almost done, but we got the lettuce for them. And we're going to cut up some nice fresh tomatoes. These are crappy store-bought tomatoes. They don't taste anywhere near as good as nice garden tomatoes, but you all know the story. Copper destroyed my garden, so we have to resort to these nasty tomatoes all winter. It's going to be horrible. Anyway. And now the best part of all, the chicken. Which we fried to perfection. I'm definitely going to steal some of this from me, guys. You're not getting all this. No, you're not. No freaking way. No freaking way. I'll go. So it's not totally dry over there. I made them a bowl of some creamy mushroom soup that I'm going to use to cover their food with here. Oh yeah. Just for the buddy man. probably all going to get a lot more than this, but. Alright, good evening, puppies. You guys hungry? Yeah, well, it's been about 9 hours since you guys ate. You're okay. You'll survive, yes you will. Right, Nikira? Yes you will. Charcoal butt? Yeah. Booty. Hey, College. Copper scrap. Swingy. And Moose. Moose. Boy, you better settle down, boy. Where's Kigali? Come on, Kigali, get out of there. You guys ready? Alright. Tonight I got you guys some Italian bread with it. Yeah, some baked Italian bread. Buttered and toasted it in the oven. And we put a couple of slices of lettuce on there. Didn't have a lot. Thought I had more, so I didn't buy any. A couple slices of nice tomatoes. And we put some fried chicken on top, sliced. And then drizzled cream of mushroom soup on it. Yes, on a bed of kibble. Oh yeah. That's some good stuff it is. Good, 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 good. Yum, 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 yum. Alright, let's begin. Callus. Hey girl, baby. Alright, we're getting to you guys. Buddy. There you go, big boy. Oh yeah, he's like chicken. Oh, he ate the lettuce too. Of course, I only gave him a small bit, but. Copper, stop hitting my hand. Alright, Kune. Watch out. Move. Copper. Kune. There you go. Holy crap, buddy. You gotta chew your food, boy. Goodness. Coco. Calm down. Right, she went for the bread first, left her chicken. I'm sure she's gonna get to it though. There it is. Alright. Natira. Oh, yum, yum. Now go girl, Natira. Alright, we're going to skip to Kigali. Kigali. Yes, she has a shock collar on, but it's not on. It's actually broken. But she learned in the past that it hurts. So all I got to do is put it on her and she freaks out and calms down and stays quiet. Alright, Copper. Copper. Oh my goodness, boy. You practically destroyed it before I can even set it down. Moose. You were bad earlier, so you're going last. You're gonna get some food. But you gotta wait. Moose. Now it's your turn, boy. There you go.
I guess Scrumpy's butt. I found Scrumpy's butt. Alright. I think everybody's run outside and everybody's done except for Moose and Collis. Kigali? No. Hey, up here. Kigali. Boy, they're giving me lots of trouble tonight. Alright, well, we're done, guys. I've ate, they've ate. It's time to go and relax and hopefully fall asleep in the next hour or so. See ya.